To live a good health, it is very important to have a very good, effective digestive system. This can be achieved by three things. First one, good eating habits and right eating times and practicing Kapalbharati. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रविराज. I am welcoming to you all to my channel Health for Better Living. To have a better living, it is very important to have a very good health. So this health is initiated by the digestive system, because the food you take has to be digested very effectively to convert it into energy. That is, we all know. To keep the digestive system efficient, there are gifts of Ayurveda, which is in the form of pranayama and yogasanas. So in this today, I am giving the procedure to practice Kapalbharati pranayama, which is effective in increasing the efficiency of the digestive system. To practice Kapalbharati, the procedure is we have to sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana. So I am feeling comfortable in Sukhasana, and the mudra is, of course, as I said in my earlier videos, it is Vayu Mudra, because during practice of pranayama, it is important to have Vayu Mudra because it is effective, and you must be in a state of relaxed mode, and back is to be straight. You must have very straight back, and head is still and look upwards, straight, and we must concentrate on our Agya Chakra. This is one of the Ashta Chakras of our body, which lies in between our eyebrows. It is also called as third eye, but there the three nadis, Sun, Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi and the central nadi, Madhyama Nadi, that joins over here. This is also called as third eye, and this has a very good human and divine consciousness. So if you concentrate on this Agya Chakra, it is also increase the effectiveness of the Kapalbharati pranayama. So there are some important notes which has to be noted during practice of pranayama. If the person is having operations previous to for 6 months, do not practice this. The people with high blood pressure has to be practiced slowly, in the very, very slow rhythm, just like this. And the women's during the menstrual period and pregnant women should not practice this. So the procedure is, in this, inhaling is done passively, exhaling is intensive, just like this. during practice there must be a rhythm in the stroke. This is normally 1 stroke per second, just like this. This is the medium stroke. Basically, this has to be practiced for 10 to 15 minutes, but during starting practice, you may count the strokes per second for particular time period. Say for example, for 10 seconds, 10 strokes, just like this. Close your eyes and concentrate and start the process. In the beginning, it is little bit difficult to practice, so I am advising to practice this for a particular time, say for example for 10 strokes, and take a rest. And then again start in the same way. So accordingly you can continue with 10 and then 20 and then 30 and then 50 and then second 60, so on. It is important to practice the pranayama continuously to get the best effect for the digestive system especially. During this procedure, our digestive system becomes refreshes. Our small intestine, colon, stomach, all parts become refreshes and the efficiency of the same increases in the course of time. It is very important to practice at least for 10 to 15 minutes, but initially we can start with 2 to 5 minutes, gradually increase it. So as you increase the course of time, the efficiency and the effect increases gradually. So practice this. If you have any comments or questions, you please let me know in the comments box. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much. And do not forget to subscribe the channel for videos like this to increase the health. Thank you very much. Namaskar.